They've been having repeat problems with blockages here. And so we're going to go down line and see if we can see anything that might be causing the problem. Oh my God. Yeah. I can't even get through there. I'm going to have to take my little centering jig off. Look at that. It's in really poor condition. So you're going to just have to bite the bullet and replace it. Look at that. Blister with a hole in it. Another blister. Significant double blister on the right there, and there's the turn. There's something in there, I'm not sure what that was. Look at that. That's a heck of a restriction.